Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. Ako si Jade Lee ay nataas ang mag-report patungkol sa biochemical test, X-factor and V-factor test. So ano nga ba ang biochemical test? Ang biochemical test ay ginagamit upang mag-identify ng bacterial species, mag-measure ng level of bacterial enzymes, and makatulong upang mag-identify ng disease na makukuha sa iba't ibang klase ng bacteria. Maraming klase ang biochemical test. Isa na nga rito ang X-factor and V-factor test. The X-factor comprises the protoporphyrin, or also known as hemin, which is required for growth because X-dependent strains are unable to convert deaminolevulinic acid to protoporphyrin. While the V-factor naman comprises the nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide or NAD. Ang hemin at NAD or nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide are the requirement for this test. Ang X-factor and V-factor test ay kadalasang ginagamit para mag-identify and mag-differentiate ng Haemophilus species based on their characteristic utilization of X and V growth factors. Haemophilus species are small, pleomorphic, and gram-negative bacilli o coccobacilli with a random arrangements. In these slides, makikita natin yung itsura ng Haemophilus influenzae under scanning electron microscope and the illustration of Haemophilus ducreyi. The Haemophilus parainfluenzae requires only the B factor to grow, while the Haemophilus ducreyi requires only the X factor without the need of the V factor. The Haemophilus influenzae is a gram-negative Coccobacillary. It is formally called Pfeffer's bacillus, while the Haemophilus ducreyi is a fastidious gram-negative Coccobacillus bacterium. It causes the sexual transmitted disease known as cancroid, which causes a major genital ulceration characterized by painful sores on the genitalia. Additional info lang na ang Haemophilus influenzae ang tinatarget ng X-factor and V-factor test para ma-identify. Kasi ang Haemophilus influenzae ay nagdadala ng deadly disease like meningitis and pneumonia. Members of the genus Haemophilus requires accessory growth factors in vitro. Some Haemophilus sp requires X-factor or hemin alone. Ang example nga nito is yung Haemophilus ducreyi. While yung iba naman is ang kailangan lang is yung V-factor. Ang example naman nito ay yung Haemophilus parainfluenzae. Meron namang Haemophilus species na ang kailangan is a combination ng dalawa. Consequently, the significant difference in the growth factor requirements of Haemophilus sp allows for their differentiation. Next is the testing discs. The impregnated disc or strips of XV and XV are placed directly on the confluent inoculation na kung saan inaalaw nito ang diffusion of the accessory growth factor into the medium. So makikita natin sa baba yung maging itsura ng testing disc ng X-factor and V-factor test. The Haemophilus species will grow only around the disc that provides the appropriate factor for growth of the organisms. The X-factor and V-factor disc are paper discs impregnated with growth factors. Each X-factor disc is impregnated with hemin, while each V-factor disc is impregnated with NAD or nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. Tapos yung XV factor naman na disc is impregnated with the combination of both hemin and NAD. So valid yung X factor, V factor, and XV factor disc ay nakakatulong para mag-differentiate ng Haemophilus species. So ang kadalasang ginagamit na agar dito sa X and V factor test is yung heart infusion agar, tryptic soy agar, Haemophilus agar, and a nutrient agar. So in order to do this test, ito yung mga methods. First, using aseptic technique, select isolated colonies of the suspect colonist and prepare a suspension equivalent to a 0.5 Macfarlane standard. Then dip a sterile swab into the organism suspension. Roll the swab over the intersurface of a trypticase soy agar plate. Then inoculate by streaking in 3 different directions by rotating the plate in a 60-degree angle after each streaking. Streaking in this manner ensures confluent growth. Then after none, allow the surface to dry 3 to 5 minutes. Then place the XV and XV factor disc on the agar surface. Then, if using separate disc, place them at least 4 to 5 cm apart. After nun, incubate overnight at 35 degrees to 37 degrees Celsius, then observe for growth or no growth around the discs. After ma-incubate overnight at 35 degrees to 37 degrees Celsius, ito na yung maging expected results. For the positive expected results, the growth around the XV disc only shows a requirement for both factors, while the growth around the V disc has no growth around the X disc, and the light growth around the XV disc shows the V factor requirement. For the negative expected results, the growth over the entire surface of the agar indicates no requirement for either X or V factor. The limitation of this test, it is recommended that biochemical, immunological, molecular, or mass spectrometry testing be performed on colonies from pure culture for complete identification, because similarities exist in growth factor requirements of Haemophilus species. It is not recommended that this procedure be the sole criterion for species identification. Care should be taken during inoculation of specimen onto culture media in order to prevent nutrient carryover. So ayun nga, ginagamit ang X factor and V factor test para mag-differentiate ng Haemophilus species gaya ng Haemophilus influenzae, Haemophilus ducreyi, at iba pang species nito. Kasama rin dito yung species na Agregabacter apropylus or dating tinatawag na Haemophilus apropylus. At dito na po nagtatapos ang aking report. Maraming salamat.